Hi everyone, Shahzeb here from Zealand. In this video, I'll show you how to easily create a fun red and blue retro 3D movie effect with Photoshop. This effect is so easy to create that once you know the steps, you will be going from start to finish in under 30 seconds. Let's see how it works. I'll be using Photoshop 2022, but everything is fully compatible with Photoshop CS6 or earlier. So let's get started. Here is the image I'll be using. I download it from Unsplash. If we look in the layers panel, we see the image sitting in the background layer. Let's duplicate the background layer by clicking on it and drag it down onto the new layer icon at the bottom of the layers panel. Before you release your mouse button on a window PC, press and hold the Alt key on your keyboard. Then release your mouse button. The Alt or Option key tells Photoshop to pop open the duplicate layer dialog box, where we can name the layer before it's added. Name the layer 3D and then click OK. Photoshop adds the copy of the image on a new layer named 3D above the original. Next, click on the layer style icon at the bottom of the layers panel. Then choose blending options from the top of the list. This opens the layer style dialog box. Look for the channel options with checkboxes for R, G and B. RGB stands for red, green and blue, which are the three primary colors that mix together to make every color we see in the image. By default, all three colors are turned on. To create our 3D effect, we need to turn off green and blue on the 3D layer. To do that, click inside the G and B boxes to deselect them, leaving only the red channel selected. Then click OK to close the layer style dialog box to see what's happened. Hide the background layer by clicking on its visibility icon. With the background layer turned off, we see that the image on the 3D layer now appears only in red. Click again on the same visibility icon to turn the background layer back on and return to the full color version. At this point, to create our 3D effect, all we need to do is offset the image on the 3D layer so that it's out of alignment with the image below it. To do that, select the Move tool from the toolbar, then select the 3D layer in the Layers panel. Use the left arrow on your keyboard to nudge the image to the left. As you do, you will see a red outline appearing along one side of each object. And because the opposite color of red is cyan, which is the other color that you use in those retro glasses, a cyan outline appears along the opposite sides. Creating our 3D effect, the further you move the image, the wider the outlines will appear. So adjust the effect until you are happy with the results. And there we have it. That's how easy it is to create a retro 3D movie effect with Photoshop. If you enjoyed this video, I hope you will like it. Share it with your friends and students and subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Thank you for watching.